Okay, guys, so I am back today with another unboxing, but this one is a bit different because it didn't come from Dooney, Coach, Louis Vuitton, or any other store that you may have heard of. This is from Naomi Crafted. So if you want to see what is in this box, just keep watching. Hey, I'm Dre, and welcome to my channel. If you've been here before, welcome back. Over here, we're all about looking and feeling our best for less. So if that's something that you're into, go ahead and subscribe. But before we get into the unboxing, I wanted to take a few minutes today just to talk about my new ebook, and it is called 5 Tips for Purchasing Pre-Loved Luxury Online. And guys, this is a really quick read. It's only 25-30 pages long, but it just discusses in detail 5 of my top tips for shopping with confidence, saving money, and just avoiding getting scammed online. So you should definitely check it out. The link to the book, which is completely free, is going to be in my bio. It's also pinned in the comments on this video. It will also be in the description box. So I hope you guys take a couple of minutes to download it for free. But let's get into this unboxing. So as you know, and as the title said, this bag took 5 weeks to get here. It was probably closer to 6. I ordered this bag on May. Let's see. Let's just get the dates right so that we can let's just start off on a good note. Let's just get the dates right. Okay. So I ordered this bag on May the 28th and it was delivered on July 3rd. So it was well over a month. So I had actually emailed them maybe 2 weeks out because I hadn't even received, shipping confirmation. And she told me at that time that the bag was still in production because it had to be handmade and that it would be shipping out the following week. So it did not ship out that following week. It shipped out the week after that. So it ended up being probably about a week and a half later than what she had initially told me. And she never reached out to me after that. Once I asked for an update and she never responded back to let me know when the piece was actually shipped. I just got notification, through the shop app that I use that it was on its way. So it's still in the box. I've waited for this long. I figured I may as well wait to unbox it with you guys. I did loosen up the tape though so that it wouldn't take me forever to get it out. And I peeled off the labels so that, well, one of the labels at least, so that my address and stuff wouldn't be showing. So it is wrapped up well. I'll say that, but I'm telling you guys, I was super excited about this bag when I ordered it, but waiting as long as I did, the excitement has worn off. Let me just say that. And let me just rewind because I want to make sure and make it super clear with you guys that I know Naomi Crafted. Just in case you guys aren't familiar with them, let me just pause and rewind. Say Naomi Crafted, they hand make their bags. And what they do is they take dust bags and materials from high-end luxury brands and craft their own pieces out of those items. So for instance, the bag that I purchased that you'll see in a minute was created from a Gucci dust bag and scrap pieces of leather. So just to give you an idea, and I'm reading this right off of their website, it says the previously owned secondhand dust bags and other materials used in the crafting of Naomi's handcrafted bags are sourced from authorized secondhand dealers or directly supplied by our clients, ensuring all materials are genuine and lawfully obtained. These dust bags have been artistically altered and enhanced with new designs. Naomi's handcrafted bags does not claim any rights in the trademarks, nor does it claim to sell new Hermes, Dior, or Gucci products. The transformations these items have undergone are not authorized or endorsed by the original manufacturers, and the products are not to be misconstrued as a product of Hermes, Dior, or Gucci. So she makes it very clear on her website exactly what she does, what she can provide, and what it is. So, with that being said, let's get into this box. So I was giving them grace because, again, I know that these are handcrafted items. It's not something that they mass produce where they have these bags sitting up in a warehouse waiting on somebody to order them. It doesn't work like that. So I decided to give them grace on that. But I did reach out to Agent Bag Reviews and Dee Dee Bean, who have also purchased from Naomi Crafted, and neither of their items took as long as mine. So all I'm gonna say is, with the time that I waited, it better be worth it. And so let's get in here. So it's wrapped very carefully. And I don't know why, because for some reason I thought that they were on the West Coast, but this was shipped from China. So, and as you can see, it's wrapped up in bubble wrap or bubble package. I don't know if you can see through this, but if any of you guys that are watching are already familiar with Naomi Crafted and their items, if you take a wild guess, do you know what this is in here? Can you see enough to kind of guess what it is? Because I think if I would be able to guess. But let's just get into it. Okay, I'm starting to get excited now. So this is the protective bag that it came in. And I ordered the Gucci dust bag. I guess you would call this top handle or satchel. So as you can see, the bag is mainly fabric. And then it's trimmed in leather. So the sides are leather. The handles are leather. It has gold hardware. Okay, this is cute. It's smaller than what I expected, but I like it. So let's get on the inside and see. So it is stuffed on the inside, which is nice. Get this out of here. Oh, this is really cute, guys. OMG. OMGG. So look at this. So the interior is this really cute, like, feels like gingham or linen fabric with a really cute flower print. You see it's got the little Gucci tag there. You've got a little slip pocket big enough to put some cards. And then the rest of the bag is just an open compartment. It does have two, what do you call these? Zippers. So you can use this like the Louis Vuitton Speedy Bandolier. So this is constructed very similar to the Speedy Bandolier. I would say this would be like maybe the 20 size. I don't know if Gucci makes a Boston bag this small. But yeah, I just thought this was really cute. Now this does come in a brown color too. So it's more like an orangish brown or like cognac color. But I just thought this green was gorgeous. Now the pictures did not show Gucci on both sides, but this particular bag does have that stamp on both sides. As you can see, it does have O-rings or D-rings for a shoulder strap, but it did not come with an adjustable, or it didn't come with an extra strap at all. You can see this is gold hardware on here. So I know I've said a couple of times about a few bags, but this would definitely be a candidate for handbag heels. And I'm gonna have to go on ahead and just buckle down and get a couple of pairs because at this point I think I have maybe 2 or 3 bags that need feet that don't have them. So I'm definitely gonna get handbag heels for this one. Probably that this one will be the priority since the bottom of this bag is fabric. And I may even go ahead and spray some Scotch Guard or a fabric protector over this bag just to keep it from staining. But I wanted to show you guys something else. So just hang tight real quick. So this Canadian-based company reached out to me a few weeks ago and asked me if I would let them send me a few items to review on my channel. And so I told them yes. So the name of the company is Next Fashion. And guys, they make some really cute charms and like purse and wristlet straps. So what I have, they sent me quite a few pieces, but this new bag that I got, I automatically know that I will be using my lock charm for this little cutie right here. So since this actually has 2 zippers and holes for lock, I can lock this up if I wanted to, or I could just use this charm on the bag as an ornament. Now, isn't that adorable, guys? This is just the cutest little thing. And guys, it actually, the lock has a working key. So this lock is fully functional. Let's show it to you real quick. I can put it in here, right? Okay. So yeah, this lock is fully functional, as you can see. It's made of gold metal. It's not real yellow. It's more like of a champagne color gold. And it's shiny. It's not a matte gold like the gold on Coach hardware, but it's not super shiny either. It's kind of like an in between, has like in between gloss on it. But guys, I thought this was just super cute. And I also I'm gonna put it on here and show you what it looks like. So if I wanted to lock the bag up, I could lock it and I could have a locks in the middle, or I could pull them over to the side as such. But more than likely, I would just wear it like this. This is just super adorable. I love this. But look at this on here, guys. Look at that lock. But look at this lock on here. That is adorable. And it just gives the bag just a little extra oomph. But look, if I just really feel like doing the most, I could add this cute little chain strap on here that was also sent to me by Next Fashion. And guys, this strap is so cute. So it's like gunmetal, but then it has like little gold pieces throughout. So it makes it easy for you to kind of like mix and match with different things. But look at this. This is so cute on this bag. Ugh, I think this is just adorable on this bag. I'm going to put in some mod shots so y'all can see what it looks like as a crossbody with this chain strap. I've got about 4 or 5 different straps from Next Fashion that I'm still trying to figure out how to use, but this one will probably stay with this bag because I just think this is super cute. So they specialize in straps, wristlets, charms, extensions, and clasps for handbags. So if you want metal, like gold, silver, or gunmetal, shoulder straps, wristlet straps, charms, or shoulder bag like strap extensions, you should definitely check out Next Fashion because they offer all of those items. And I did mention that they are a Canadian based company, but guys, the shipping is really fast. They sent my stuff on like the 23rd and it was here on the 27th. So it literally arrived in 4 days. So you don't have to worry about the shipping taking super long. They ship immediately. Now, I will say that the chains that they've sent me feel very substantial in weight. Now, this chain feels really substantial in weight, especially for its size. It feels heavy, like real metal. It doesn't feel plasticky at all. And if you get up close and see the detail on the chain, you can see that it has gold gunmetal within. You've got like little gold pieces throughout. Just a gorgeous chain. The clasp is gold. And this is just one of 4 or 5 chains that they sent me. I'll be sharing some, throughout the next month as I actually wear them. But I wanted to show you the charm and the chain that I know that I'm going to be using on this bag. So what do you guys think? Comment down below and let me know what you think about this bag from Naomi Crafted. And also, what do you think about the charm and the chain from Next Fashion? I'll make sure that Naomi Crafted and Next Fashion are both linked below. So thank you so much again for watching. Until next time, don't forget, if you're going to buy it anyway, you may as well save a few coins. Peace.